Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to use the uh, Codeium AI to autocomplete task. So here I write a comment that write a program that takes a number as an input and determines if it's even or odd. So if I press enter, automatically you can see it understands the line, and then it is suggesting me. So this line, what it will do, it will take the input from the user with this text. When I will run this command program, it will prompt me that enter a number, and then it will convert this to integer, and then it will be stored in this number. And then here to check if it is even or odd, I can type if number is divisible by 2. You can see here, if it is divided by 2 and if there is no reminder, if after dividing by 2, if the remainder is 0, then the number is become even, or otherwise the number is odd. So if I save this code and try to run this code, you can see it is running, and it says to please enter a number. So if I type, let's say 10, and press enter, you can see the number is even. Again, if I try to run this command, it is trying to saying that please enter a number. If I say 3, and you can see the number is odd. So it is doing the thing. Thank you.